Hi, I'm Dave Francis, National Safety Director for Little Giant Ladder System, and today we're going to be talking about the integrated ratchet leveler for the HyperLite extension ladders. Now, the HyperLite extension ladder is the lightest extension ladder on the market today. If you're interested in the how-to video for the HyperLite, go to the link down in the description. But for now, we're going to be concentrating on the integrated ratchet leveler. So the system is built right into the ladder. What we find all of the time on job sites is that the ground is never level. How do people level their extension ladders? Well, we hear from people all around the country that they use bricks and boards to build up the low side of the ladder. That's not what we want to do. Now, if I have an uneven surface, I'm going to set the ladder up on that, and then I'm simply just going to step on this lever on the side and level it to the ground. I'm not going to pay a guy to go Easter egg hunting for the right size brick or board to level his ladder, or build a stack of Jenga sticks up to try and level my ladder incorrectly. I'm simply going to step on that lever on the side, extend it out, and lock it into position. Now, the system is weight locked so that a person's foot wouldn't accidentally slip down and step on that and release the leveling. You have to take the pressure off of it and then step on that, and it's spring loaded up into that position. While we're in this position, let's talk about these sure set feet. You know, on an extension ladder, your feet are always flopping around. These are spring loaded into that position. To get them to move, you have to push on the back of the foot. To get it back, I'm going to put my foot on the front of the rubber and push it back down, but it'll stay in that position. This is the integrated ratchet leveler on the HyperLite extension ladder. We want you to climb safe.